Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to chemistry class with chapter 13 S and P block elements. Today topic under discussion is peculiar behavior of beryllium metal. We will discuss its hardness, melting and boiling points, formation of covalent compounds, reaction with water, reaction with hydrogen and alkalis, behavior of oxides and hydroxides, behavior of carbides, behavior of nitrides, formation of complex compounds, and number of molecules of water of crystallization. How do beryllium differ from other members of its group? Beryllium. Beryllium show anomalous behavior due to its small size, high electronegativity, high ionization energy, and high polarizing power as compared to other elements of its group. Anomalous properties of the beryllium are mentioned here. Hardness. Beryllium is the hardest of all the elements of its group. Melting and boiling point of beryllium is highest of its family members. As you can see that melting point of beryllium is more than 1200 degree centigrade, while all other members of its group have below 1000 degree centigrade. Boiling point of beryllium is more than 2000, while other members have around that is 17 or 1800, that is below 2000, among below 2000. That is, we can say that melting and boiling point of beryllium is highest among its other family members. Beryllium form covalent bonds, whereas other members form ionic bonds. This is because of the electronegativity difference. Electronegativity difference of beryllium is not so large, and therefore the bond form is covalent. As moving down the group, electronegativity difference increases and the other members form ionic bonds. Beryllium does not react with water even at high temperature, while other alkaline earth metals decompose water, liberating hydrogen gas and forming its oxide. Like magnesium, react with water to form magnesium oxide and hydrogen gas. Beryllium does not react with hydrogen directly to form hydrides. Hydrides can be prepared indirectly, while other members combine directly with hydrogen to form hydrides. Hydrides of beryllium and magnesium are covalent, while other metals hydrides are ionic in nature. Reaction with alkalis. Beryllium reacts with alkalis to form hydrogen gas, like Be plus NaOH gives Na2BeO2 plus H2. Other alkaline earth metals do not react with alkalis. Sorry, it's alkaline earth metals. Behavior of hydroxides. Beryllium hydroxides are amphoteric in nature. That is, they react with both acids and base. Beryllium hydroxide reacts with acid, showing its basic nature, and forms salts plus water. That is BeSO4, beryllium salt plus water. Similarly, beryllium hydroxide reacts with base NaOH, showing its acidic character to form a colorless solution of sodium tetrahydroxoberylate. These two reactions show its amphoteric nature. While hydroxides of other group 2 metals are all basic, they react only with acid to form salts and water. Like calcium hydroxide react with HCl to form salt calcium chloride plus water. Behavior of hydroxides. Beryllium hydroxide is again amphoteric in nature, that is, it reacts with HCl to form beryllium salt plus water. Here, beryllium oxide show its basic nature. Beryllium oxide reacts with sodium hydroxide to give a colorless solution of sodium tetrahydroxoberylate and water. Here, beryllium oxide shows its acidic nature as it is reacting with a base. Oxides of other alkaline earth metals are basic in nature. Behavior of carbides. Beryllium carbide reacts with water to give methane, that is Be2C plus 4H2O gives beryllium hydroxide plus methane, while magnesium carbide reacts with water to gives magnesium hydroxide and propyne. Calcium carbide reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide and acetylene. Behavior of nitrides. Beryllium nitride is volatile, while nitrides of other alkaline earth metals are non-volatile. Formation of complex compounds. Beryllium ion has small size and forms stable complex compounds like BeF3-, BeF-2, while M+2 ions derived from other alkaline earth metals form very few complex compounds. Next is number of molecules of water of crystallization. Beryllium does not normally form simple ions such as Be+2. It does form ions in solution. When solvated, beryllium ions attach with 4 water molecules, forming a complex with formula BeH2O with 4 water molecules plus 2. That is, we can say that it is 4 coordinated, and here its coordination number is 4, as 4 water molecules are arranged around central beryllium metal. Other members of its group are usually 6 coordinated, or like magnesium ions in solution exist magnesium with 6 water molecules and plus 2. The water molecules in these ions are attached to the central metal ion through coordinate bonds. One of the lone pair on each water molecule form a bond with empty orbitals in the metal ion. Each time one of these bonds is formed and the energy is released. As energy is released, ions become more stable. That is, it seems more advantageous for the metal ion to form as many covalent bonds as possible to release energy and become more stable. Here we will discuss why beryllium atoms have only 4 water molecules of crystallization. Willis shell electronic configuration of beryllium is 2s2 2p0. That is 2s, and these 2's are electrons and 2p are empty. When beryllium is converted into beryllium ion by the loss of 2 electrons from s shell. Now it has 2s0 and 2p0. Before forming compounds, beryllium has to lose its 2 ions and convert it into ions. Now 4 water molecules are attached to these 4 orbitals and donate their one of the lone pair to these orbitals, these empty 2s and 3 2p orbitals to form 4 coordinate bonds. In each water molecule, oxygen has 2 lone pairs. Only one pair is donated to each orbital. That is, one lone pair from this water molecule is denoted to 2s and form a single coordinate bond. This water molecule donates its lone pair to 2p and forms second coordinate bond. In this way, water This water molecule donates its one lone pair and form third coordinate bond. This 4-oxygen donates its lone pair to third 2p orbital and form fourth bond. In this way, we can say that beryllium can form only 4 bonds with 4 water molecules. Magnesium can extend their coordination number to 6 by using 1s, 1,3s, 3,3p and 2,3d orbitals. As it is using 6 orbitals, so it can form 6 bonds and its coordination number is 6. Beryllium cannot extend its coordination number more than 4 as it lacks d orbitals and it have only 2s and 2p orbitals. That is only 4 empty orbitals are available, so it can form only 4 covalent bonds. Magnesium uses its 3d orbitals, 3d orbitals, so its coordination number is extended to 6. I hope you have enjoyed the lecture. Please raise your queries and questions. Thank you and have a nice day.